We're going to reveal what we got at the food giveaway today at the church. To give away a fruit and vegetable box once a month. And we went up and got us one, so we're going to show you what's in it, what we got. Set them out. Head of lettuce. Some zucchini. Oh wow, 4 zucchinis, 5 zucchinis. Awesome, 6 zucchinis. Not bad. Zucchini bread. Then we got some apples. Quite a few apples. Got a little bag of onions. They'll come in handy. Cauliflower. Ooh, a bag of potatoes. I see fried potatoes in my future. Okay, that's it. Not bad for a free giveaway. We can use the lettuce and stuff. So there you go. The church has this once a month. Doesn't matter how much money you make. You just got to show up. Third Saturday of the month. So there you go. Hope you enjoy the little video. Thank you.